Help, help, I'm surrounded by RVs. Lot's pretty full today. It's Thursday, and just doing a quick update video. We usually get about 3 to 5 units in and out each day. So 3 to 5 come in, usually 3 to 5 go out. People always ask us, hey, what's your turnaround time? And sometimes our turnaround time is 1 to 2 weeks. Sometimes it's 2 weeks, sometimes it's 3 weeks. It just pretty much depends on what's going on in the shop. We never know what we're going to encounter. We never know if we're going to be stuck holding for parts. There's too many factors involved. But thanks so much for watching. And if you want to see more of what's going on in the shop, make sure you join one of our Facebook groups. We've got a link on our website, and a lot of them, product groups. So, whether it be a Grand Design or a Beacon or a Keystone, Forest River, Fleetwood, Outdoors RV, Jayco, you name it, we've got them. And so what we're doing is we're posting these posts and videos and pictures to try to help, the whole RV community, to let them know kind of like things that we're going up against, fixes and repairs, kind of like this one. I just did a video on that one earlier, like how to repair it. And, Winnebago, again, Outdoors RV. So anyways, hope these videos help you. I hope you find them interesting. And it's just an inside look at stuff that you don't ever get to see. Again, it's most of the groups are like Winnebago RV owners and the RV shop with Dustin. All right, thanks so much and have a great day.